Hello everyone, this is Priyansh. Now we are going to show you something Spark Foundation project. Here is the task 1 basic banking system. Now let me show you my code section. I am using banking system by PHP. Here is the customer connection between us. First time page, footer page, now header page. Here is the man page using the pop-up show. Here is the index man. Man index is the front page of the back page. Here is the send connection which we are doing some transaction here between us. Now let me show you the sample website. Now we are okay. Server is not start. Let me start server. Apache server and now MySQL server. Now here you can see the back page. Here is the slider option here. Three slide I mentioned here. Here is the header part. Here is the footer part. Now our services to all the customers manage transaction between customers. Now let's see all customers. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. MySQL is not started. Now start it again. Here you can see the customer detail. I'm using the name of my friend. You can use anyone. So here's the my name is Priyansh. Now I have a current balance is 23,000 and Himanshu have a 3,000. So what I will do now, I am going to send 10,000 Priyansh to Himanshu here. So going to send button, send to Himanshu. How much money? Now 10,000. Here's the pop-up show. Are you sure you want to continue this pop-up code by the JavaScript? Now here the transaction is successful. You can see I'm sending 10,000 rupees to Himanshu. 10,000 rupees is debit my account and Himanshu has credited 10,000. The total balance is 13,000. If transaction is failed, they roll back the transaction between. Suppose I'm going to again send transaction Himanshu 2,000 or suppose I don't have any this much amount. I'm going to send it now insufficient amount. Okay, you can see now we can view database. The change is original in database. Now you can see here the customer data. Here the original database has been changed. Thank you.